You want to take all the measurements on the right side of the body and make sure the skin is dry and lotion free. You want to make sure you identify and mark all sites that you will be measuring. You can do this by using a pen or a marker and placing an X in the spot that you will be pinching on all 7 sites. Now for the actual use of the caliper, you will have the caliper on your right hand with the numbers facing up towards you, and with your left hand you will be pinching the fat and the skin in order to get your measurements. You want to use your thumb and index finger about 3 inches away from the line that is perpendicular to the long axis of the skin fold you are measuring. You want to pull the skin up and away from the body and either pinch 1 centimeter above or below the site you are measuring. While taking the measurement, keep the skin fold pulled up and away from the body, holding the caliper in your right hand with the dial facing up. The jaws of the caliper should be perpendicular to the fold, 1 centimeter away from the fingers, and halfway between the crest and the base of the actual fold. Hold the tension for 1 to 2 seconds and record the measurement to the nearest 0.5 millimeter. You will have to measure 7 sites. Make sure you record 2 measurements for each site, going through sites 1 through 7 before taking the second reading. You'll have to make sure you are within 1 to 2 millimeters of each measurement. Otherwise, you will have to retest the site. All 7 sites are taking the same for men and women with the exception of the chest fold. The suprailiac fold is a diagonal fold. It is taken at the natural angle of the iliac crest, which is in line to the anterior axillary line. It is with your hip bone placement is slightly above. The subscapular fold is a diagonal fold. It is taken at a 45-degree angle, 1 to 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. The mid-axillary fold is a vertical fold. It is on the mid-axillary line and is taken at the level of the sternum. The chest fold is a diagonal fold. It is 1/3 of the distance from the anterior axillary line to the nipple for women, and it is 1/2 of the distance from the anterior axillary line to the nipple for men. The tricep fold is a vertical fold. It is down the middle of the upper arm, halfway between the shoulder and the elbow. Make sure the arm is held off to the side and not flexed. The abdominal fold is a vertical fold. It is taken 2 centimeters to the right of the belly button. The thigh fold is a vertical fold. It is taken down the middle of the thigh, halfway between the hip and the patella. Calculate the average from the 2 measurements taken at each site. You will then plug in this average into the body density equation for your corresponding client. There is a male and a female equation. There is a wide range of equations used to calculate body fat based on sex, age, ethnicity, and other factors. 2 of the most popular are Brozek and Seri equation. Once you do the math for these equations, you will receive your body fat percentage.